Hello, my name is América Alcocer Hernandez and I'm gonna start with my presentation. So first we have the vowels, and the first vowel is E. E. Please. E. E. Pin. U. U. Look. U. U. Boot. E. E. Bet. A. Teacher. A. Bird. A. Coat. A. Cat. Up. A. Car. Luck. Then we have the diphthongs, and the first diphthong is ear, here, a, day, cure, oi, boy, oh, go, air, chair, I, mine, oh, cow. Then we have the consonant, and the first consonant is p, pot, b, but, t, the, dog, cheese, judge, calm, go, f, funny, van, think, this, see, zoo, she, vision, me, n, no, king, h, hurry, love, ready, water, yes. Then we have this part about the connected speech, and the first sentence is he's out. Then we have sage it, go on, nice to meet ya. I don't know if I can come next week. Want ya. Correct. And the last, grandpa.